The four categories of tube feeding formula are standard, pre-digested, disease-specific, and blenderized. Standard contain intact macronutrients that the body must break down to be absorbed, while pre-digested contain macronutrients that are already broken down to maximize absorption. Disease-specific have a nutrient profile that addresses a metabolic condition or organ dysfunction, and blenderized contain a mixture of whole foods that have been pulverized into a liquid. Blenderized contain the most desirable ingredients, but are not used as often as the others because of concerns for food safety, high cost, and high viscosity. The others tend to be composed of highly processed and isolated ingredients, yet they offer a distinct advantage when it comes to customization of nutrients. One example of this is the creation of hydrolyzed and elemental formulas, which are designed to enhance digestion even though they have not consistently been shown to be better tolerated. Then we have the ability to manipulate nutrients like water, fiber, and protein to avoid complications like dehydration, fluid overload, constipation, diarrhea, and poor wound healing. We can also manipulate electrolytes to target decreased needs with kidney disease and create a formula that is best suited to manage diabetes. These specialized formulas are often useful, but just because a patient has a condition, it does not mean that they must receive one that is disease-specific. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos for more content just like this.